Hello. We're about to go grocery shopping for a little storm that's coming our way. It's been a little bit of time, and I got some candles done, and I'm just waiting for the storm to arrive. Here we go. This is it, baby. Wow.
That looks so weird.
Jeez, man. This is crazy. Look at those lights. It's crazy. It's pretty cool. It's 4:45. And it's finally really started. I did get some sleep, and I might go back to bed. But yeah, this is it. No messing around. It's pretty nice. Hey guys, I think it snowed a little bit, but not all that much. I guess we'll just have to see. Wow, it's melting fast. It's melting very fast. 2.5 inches. Well, that's interesting. But it's only the prelude, Mason. It's only the prelude.
Dude, I can't wait for the actual full package.
Okay, this is more accurate. 5 inches?
Jesus.
That's how fast can snow melt here?
Oh,
Man, half of it's already melted.
that's horrible.
Oh my god, that would suck. Well,
Would.
damn, bro. Liam,
Don't do it. Mason, stop. This makes me want to go out so little. Welcome back to the director.
I'd never say that, okay? I never say that. I'm just gonna talk about. Look at this.
Rename your.
Look at how much protein I'm having right now, Mason. Your boy ain't playing. But look at that. If it can. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty. Got another storm coming. Fucking go. Holy shit, bro! Wow, the steering wheel actually works pretty well. Wee! Holy shit! Mason, you got it, bro. Crash. That's exactly what happened to me, bro. You okay? Holy shit.
That didn't feel good at all.
I know. It's like fucking awful. Oh shit, Mason, look. The shelf cloud is coming. It's starting to snow. What happened, guys?
Can we change up the climate in here, guys? Can we change up this whole atmosphere? There's kind of bad vibes there. Yeah, we need to change it.
What am I gonna do? My favorite swear words.
My favorite swear words. And bugs. Oh shit.
Holy shit.
Sorry, I was looking to that.
Holy shit.
I'm just having you fucking stare and you're just staring right into a fucking mailbox.
Jesus. What was that? Yo, it's coming down. The fuck are you people doing?
Bruh, that could be framed.
Damn, this is a good view. Good view.
There you go.
It's coming down, boy.
Look at the plants sticking.
Yeah, I know.
Shit.
I like how we're in the middle of nowhere when this is happening. Yeah. Whoa, bro. Hello. It is early in the morning, and the big snow is finally starting. Alright, we got a pretty good covering so far. I'm liking this. The road itself has a decent amount of snow on it. Oh god. I like this. Finally. Here we go. I'm gonna go get some better shoes out in my dad's car. Wow, this eye looks very red. Okay. I should be in here somewhere. God, it's nice in here. You can see the new layer of snow add on top of this old icy layer that's actually only a day old. I think I'm gonna measure only the new snow that's fallen today, since most of the old snow has just melted already somehow. Shit in the driveway? It's 2 inches, man. Doesn't look like a lot, but I guess... Whoa, oh my god. Holy shit. It's blizzarding out here, Jesus. Look at this. It's a winter wonderland. My god, I can't wait till all these little pieces of grass here are just completely submerged in snow. This looks nice. I think I might go on a walk. Man, this is like heaven for me. Just so pretty. Everything is so nice. Apparently, though, it's gonna stop in about 2 hours, and then a major second part of this already massive storm is gonna hit us with a possible amount of snow at 3 inches per hour. So that's like blizzard conditions, so we'll see what happens. Jeez.
Nice solid 3 inches deep.
Alright, cool. Another inch is falling. And it is falling fast. That is just so pretty. My god. It's just amazing. My god. It's crazy. It's crazy, bro. It's amazing.
What are you talking about?
It's frozen, Liam. It's walkie slush.
What's a walkie slush? bro. Damn, that's crazy, bro. This looks horrible.
Oh! Oh! I can't fucking see, bro! It's so fucking... I can't see shit! Oh my god! Oh fuck! Holy fuck, it's snowing so hard! Oh fuck!
Bro, don't hit the fucking barbed wire, bro!
Holy shit, guys. This is insane! What the fuck?
Kobe, don't sit in this. We'll actually... What the fuck was it? We could just die? We'd have to get a lot colder if we wanted to die. So strip naked.
Holy shit, guys. You remember? Like when it was just starting and it was just shitting?
I think there's still people in this car. Hear this one? Yeah, we're gonna try it.
Wow, but I can't even see the tree over there. Okay.
It's about.
It's a good 7 inches right there. Holy shit, this is near blizzard conditions at this point with the wind. It's like, wow, let's just see it in a little bit. It's supposed to pick up even more, apparently. Craziness. Damn. I'm loving this. Holy shit. It's near whiteout conditions. Holy shit. This is fucking crazy. Everything is covered. Everything is just. This is one of the most powerful storms I've ever seen. Holy shit. Holy shit. This is insane. Holy shit. It's literally blowing through the dog door. That's not good.
No. No, baby. You like the snow?
Damn, man. This is.
That's pretty crazy.
Kind of getting nasty.
What's that?
I mean, the wind is really picking up.
What the hell happened? It thinks like a skyscraper.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing. That's gotta be, that's 16, how many inches? 14?
Probably
Said
16.
14
Holy
to
crap.
16 inches right there.
Holy crap, look at that snow just blowing everything.
It's so beaten.
Holy shit, Liam, look at this, man.
400?
I think so.
Man, what? Are you kidding me?
This is actually kind of, becoming a good amount. A decent one.
Alright, I'm gonna eat some snacks. I'm getting a little bit blizzard out. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this shit, do its thing for a little longer. But yeah, another storm is coming after this one. I know, it's a lot to keep up with. Alright, we're gonna see the destruction that storm caused. Gotta measure this shit. Wow, it got literally in every corner of this area. It's so intense. Alright, wow, this is so intense. Okay, damn, that's deep. Two inches more in 1 hour. Not bad. The wind just like made everything look
Where's
so
Liam?
cracked. He's in his room. Crazy. Holy crap, man. It's Arctic weather. Ugh, okay. Okay, how much is that? I don't know. God damn it. The fuck is this? It's so pretty.
Let's go.
Damn. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my. Something else is coming. Wow, would you look at that? You're really gonna try moving that thing? It said 30.
Jesus.
But with the wind chill, it's like 50. How many pounds of snow do you think is on this thing? Ugh. Yeah, holy crap. Look at this, man. This is like the worst blizzard I've ever seen.
This is 100% a blizzard.
What the fuck is he doing?
Weirdo. Jump.
Jump!
You seem to be a good leaper.
Leap!
Leap a lot, man.
He's trying so hard.
Let's go, bro. As long as it's not snowing, I'm happy.
Yeah. What the fuck are you doing? Well, look, it's about to completely vanish. Ah. Oh, that was fast, bro.
Dude, he's so dead, bro.
Alrighty, it's morning. Storm 3 has finally really hit. Actually, it's been hitting all night, but I mean, a lot of snow has fallen. Damn, it's hard to tell where the stairs begin. I mean, especially down here. Let's step into this. Ooh, wow. Okay. Let's see. Come on, it's more than that. Surely. No. 12.5 inches, not bad though. Not bad at all. $15.5. Added on to the other 5.5 we got from the storm before yesterday. 20.5 inches. It's a lot of snow.
So pretty.
It's completely natural. It's like a sand dune almost.
Yeah.
Nice. Man. He's alive, bro!
See it right there underneath him?
Wait, flip him.
The little red thing.
Wow. Hey, boy. How was the storm?
Oh, we got a car coming.
How was he even alive?
I don't know. Look at that fucking.
This is like legitimately like a pond.
So slick, bro. So slick. Oh. I need to watch where I'm going. It's weird too because right underneath these like tire tracks, it's like completely dry. God damn, these things are big, boy. Loser.
That is crazy.
God, I'm laughing like a fucking madman.
Oh shit.
I love that.
There's a lot of math to that.
I know.
Well, that was pretty fucking lame.
Look at this.
You little bitch, come on.
I'm coming, but
I mean, look at the trail I made.
what's there?
Fucking bitch.
Oh, I'm going in.
We gotta get the glizzy.
Holy shit. Oh, look at that. These fucking massive ass drifts. And look at this. Oh my god, look at that. That was a thud, bro.
That was a bit of a thud.
Mason, do it. Literally do it. Oh, shit. Oh! Holy shit. Bro. That was intense.
You guys recorded that.
We did. Look at this guy. Look at that, bro.
I knew you'd fucking do that. Watch out, guys. Let me use y'all as.
Fuck you.
What? Let me just use y'all as a thing.
It's a kicker.
That's what thing? Oh. That's trying to like.
Bro, that thing is hard.
I would go get that, but like that's a great way to die. Bro, I dare you to look right up. Hold on, wait. Look at mine, bro.
Look at the fucking
package. Let's go. Oh, no, this one's kind of lame.
That one felt so.
Damn, bro.
Look at how alien that is.
Look at how that's so alien.
Beautiful. Oh.
Right here.
Yeah, dude, this is actually kind of scary.
It's been fucking ages, bro. It's been fucking ages.
Oh, I have a better idea.
What? How is this not falling? This is fucking insanity, guys. Ah, man. Finally. Oh my god.